got a couple of little cold rooms going in. That one's a freezer and that one's just a chiller. So we're getting quite narrow. Getting the ceiling marked out with where the holes have got to be for the fixings. So I've got that marked out with the laser level. I just put it so it's parallel to the back wall, and then marked out where we think the holes need to be, and then we've measured diagonal, so they're the same length diagonally, so we know we haven't gone sort of made a sort of diamond shape. But they're quite light. I might lift it up there and just try it, eyeball it. We're aiming to go 130mm off the back wall. The minimum's 120, but that'll give us 500 to the front face off of the back wall, which is what we've decided to do for no good reason other than it's a round number. Then we'll get that up there, and then we're going to drill through the roof, and then the pipework's got to come out over the top, through there, out that hole, and the units going up on brackets. Got these Tecumseh, what are they? Silensis, I think. Windsys. Okay, this might work or it might not. Yeah, there we are. That's one. Got 7 more to go. 3 more for this, and we've got to do these ones. Oh well, that worked. Okay. The chiller evaporator up there. I've already put the valve in there. Solenoids there. I've got to drop the suction line through, join it onto there. I've got a conduit, flexible conduit through. And I've silicone that all around the back so it's sealed. And then the controllers are going to go up on the front by the transformer that does the door heater for the freezer. Got the holes and the threaded rod drops in for that one. We've got to put the valve and everything in there yet.